Hey everybody, it's Thursday again and today's topic is the very nice, super fluffy, cool Leptodyctium Riparium or Streamside Leptodyctium moss. I really like this moss. It's super easy, it's super simple, and you can do, as you already can see, amazing things with it. And I give you some more information besides the nice footage I took on my rooftop. So let's go! Contents of this video are the items that I use, detailed information about the moss, how I set up this little glass planter, and what is necessary to maintain it. So the items that I use here are the DOOA Neo Glass Air 20 by 20 by 8 cm plus the DOOA Neo Glass cover, and I'm using about 400 grams of tropical aquarium soil. Then I'm using a stone that I collected on a beach in Denmark. Feel free to use more stones. I wanted to go for something very simplistic, very minimalistic here. In addition, I'm using the ONF Misto Plus light. It's a very cool and convenient light that you can also power up with, for example, a power bank that you just overnight load again. A bigger power bank could probably provide the lamp with power for 2 days or 3 days even, depending on how big it is. So you can also use it on a shelf where you don't have a cable or you don't want to put a cable. The only thing that you have to do in that case is just charging the power bank from time to time. I know for a fact that people are doing this, and I think it's a very cool and clever idea. Very smart and can look very elegant that way. And last but not least, obviously, the Streamside Leptodyctium moss, the Leptodyctium Riparium, and that's all that we need here, and probably some water to spray and maintain. The moss itself is, Tropica says it's the easy category. It's not very demanding, yet it definitely benefits from nutrient-rich water and CO2 as well. It's found nearly all over the world in more the moderate climate areas, and it's the most common water moss in Germany even. Apart from that, it's quite fast growing underwater, and it easily attaches to hardscape as well. And Barbicusas, for example, so in a glass plant like this, it's not growing that fast, but the cool thing is that it can just be thrown in. So you just throw the moss in and it grows by itself, kind of, at least if it's getting some water, then it's a very, very easy plant. It can also thrive in different conditions, from colder to warmer weather and water. It definitely is a bit faster and a bit more tolerant to colder temperatures than the warm temperatures. Overall, it's not very problematic and a very robust moss. So what I really like about this setup here is that it's super simple. All that you have to do is really fill the amount of soil that you feel like, then place some stones. You can also, if you like, place some roots, for example. I kept it simple and minimalistic. And then you can just grab the cup of tissue culture that you have with the moss in it, and you rinse thoroughly off the jelly that is in there. And then you can just cut the moss in some smaller snippets, around 1.5 centimeter. I cut mine, and then you can just easily sprinkle everything on top of the soil, and then you just spray some water on top. You cover it with a lid or keep it moist somehow, keep it in good humidity so it's not getting too dry, and that's all. My glass planter here is running for about 12 months, and all I did were, I think, 2 or 3 times spraying some water. And yeah, sometimes I'm just lifting the lid for quite a while, maybe 15 to 20 minutes, but that's only happening every 2-3 weeks or something. So it feels like a yeah, very relaxed ecosystem that you don't have to really care about much. And that's what I really like about this. And I'm very curious how you like this. Could you imagine placing something in your flat as well? It's super easy. I can really recommend to build something like this, because keeping a green environment around you is just bringing your home to the next level. All the products are linked in the description, and yeah, I would be very, very happy if you subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up. I really appreciate that, and I'm wishing you a great day. See you soon. Bye.